all of you. I Khushbu from class 9. Today I tell you about Bhav. Beauty and grace cannot be imparted to the image by any cut dried rule. It must come from the heart of the artist and sculptor. Bhav is the representation of sentiments, grace to posture, and is the action of feeling of form. The expression of sentiments has been taken as one of the most important things in painting. Our eyes see the emotions and the same of expressed by graceful distortion of face, but the deepest expression of the same are felt by heart only. The showing of disposition of posture only is not enough in a painting. The bhav is an expression of inner sensation which comes naturally through visual representation of object. We can easily see the overt expression of sentiments by our eyes, but only heart can feel its covered form. It is invisible action of visible condition which creates inner delight to the suspectation. In India's theory of art, bhav is the essential aspect of artifacts. For instance, Ajanta paintings became famous in the world only because of the heavily of expression of bhav in them. The craftsmen at the time of Mughal had their limited to express any feeling. They could not use any human figure to express the inner human meaning. By observing their work, we can say that they did great research about motifs which they wanted to use to express something. These artisans were very much fascinated by lotus motifs because apart from having natural beauty is also have symbolic significance. That's why lotus motifs had been adopted by Mughal artisans with its symbolic and spiritual image. For Mughal artisans, it was uh, a medium of expressing the universal feelings and emotions through its visual image. Lotus flower has a great potential to arouse several emotions in a single figure, which makes it valuable as a decoration element. For example, to show peace, they use it is inverted from on the top of the dome of the building structure, and to express the feeling of victory they use it in full bloom form of frieze facade at Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri. Thus it can be concluded that the craftsmen use lotus flower to express the secret meaning and inner pleasure in the absence of human and animal figure.